जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 19th श्लोक। Sri Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, only when a devotee has so much of merit, so much of punyam from his previous all thousands of lives, only with that amount of punyam he will be able to say, Krishna, you are my everything. O Srimannarayana, you are my everything." Only if he has that much amount of punyam, that devotee will be able to say that, "O Srimannarayana, I am your property. O Srimannarayana, my existence is your property. My sustenance is your property. My everything is yours." Arjuna, only if the devotee has that much amount of punyam, the devotee able to say that, "O Srimannarayana, you are only the one for me to attain." And also he will be able to say that, "O Srimannarayana, you are only my goal to reach, and to reach that goal you are the means. To that extent he will surrender to me." So in order to have any devotee surrender to me fully, that devotee should have so much amount of punyam. But Arjuna, it seems that it is impossible for me to get that kind of devotee. I am eagerly craving to see such great devotee who says, "Krishna, you are everything to me." Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma expressing how much he is craving to have a devotee who can say, "Krishna, you are everything to me." Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, while preparing ourselves to be able to say that, "Krishna, you are everything to me," let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bahunam janmanamante jnanavan मां प्रपद्यते वासुदेवः सर्वमिति स महात्मा सुदुर्लभः। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya explaining the process of Srishti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, all the elements, that includes Prakriti. So Prakriti along with elements, Hiranmayaha Saha Purushaha, that transforms as Hiranmayam, which is known as Andam. And from that, Chaturmukha Brahma comes out. Now, Chaturmukha Brahma is known as Samishti Purusha. This Samishti Purusha, Chaturmukha Brahma, divides himself as Bhagavat Sankalpam, souls, karma, and the insentient entity, that is Achit, which can be transformed as body. So Samishti Purusha, Chaturmukha Brahma, transforms himself as this many things. And now that Chaturmukha Brahma, he himself, and as Achit, and then Jiva Tattva, and then Jiva's karma activity. Like this, he is divided separately. Now from this Achit Tattvam, 10 Indriyas comes out and Manas comes out. O Vidura, now Jiva gets all these Indriyas to experience objects. And there will be objects also. All these things comes out. O Vidura, Samishti Purusha, Chaturmukha, has Paramatma as his Antaryami. And because Paramatma is there, from Chaturmukha Brahma, all the elements comes out. All these elements were like together before this Srishti. Now from Chaturmukha Brahma, all the elements comes out and separates. Now everything is displayed separate. That is known as, the separated entities are known as, elements are known as Virat. That is why now Chaturmukha Brahma, who is Samishti Purusha, now transformed into so many different things as Virat. That is why he is known as Virat Purusha. Ho Vidura, now from this Virat Purusha, because of Paramatma's Sankalpam, all the sensory organs comes out, and then the bodies in which these sensory organs supposed to be, those bodies also comes out. Now one of the Indriyas is Vak, the speech. The speech sthanam, the place of speech is mouth. And for this speech, for this Vak, the Adhisthana Devata is Agni. Now having Agni as Adhisthana Devata, the Vak Indriyam, the speech will be there in this body of the soul. Now the soul, because Vagindriyam is there, he will try to pronounce, he will try to make some sound. That is Sabdam. Because of this Vakindriyam, soul does Sabdam. The Sabdam comes out. Like this, Maitreya explaining the process of Srishti to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 19th sloka. Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Mam Prapadyate Vasudevaha Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabhaha. Bahunam janmanamante jnanavan mam prapadyate Vasudevas sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabhaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.